Hi everyone, this is Arad from English for Everyone, and today in this video I'm going to work on this idiom, out of the blue, or out of the clear blue sky, okay? Well, the first one is more common, and the second one is also common, but, well, the first one is more common. So the first one is more used, and when something happens out of the blue means it happens suddenly. It happens when you do not expect it to happen. Okay? Well, imagine you look at the sky, it's blue, no clouds, nothing like that, and just in a matter of a second or a minute, something like that, it starts raining, it starts pouring. Okay? Then you're surprised. Okay, you just don't say that. Yeah, it was clear and then it started raining. Well, yeah, when normally something like this normally happens, after a while you see that clouds are gathering and these kind of things. Slowly, little by little, then you say, yeah, it's it was clear. Then gradually, you know it change to overcast and then start raining. Well, yeah, that is normal. But when we say out of the blue it started raining, it means suddenly. Okay, you really do not expect that. You really didn't expect that to happen because it was so sudden. It was so let's say abrupt. Okay, so yeah, in that case you would use this. Okay, so that also takes the blue and other things, the parts from that picture. Okay, but it is not used, it's not always, or it's not mainly used with weather. Okay, it might be used with the weather condition, but not only for that reason. Okay, so we use this, okay, when we really do not mean sky. Okay, when something happens that we do not expect in our workplace, in our life, in anything. Okay, anything in our life. Let's look at the examples. It will be more clear. One day, out of the blue, she announced that she was leaving. Okay, so she is in a, let's say, company, a factory, or in a relationship. Okay, and then suddenly one day she announces, tells the others or the person that she's leaving. Okay, when we really do not expect a person to go, when we know that she's going to go, then we're not surprised. Okay, then we don't use out of the blue. But out of the blue in the sentence shows our surprise, shows the writer's surprise. Okay, so we say we really didn't expect this, but it happened, and she suddenly changed her mind and said, "I'm going." Okay, so one day, out of the blue, she announced that she was leaving. All right, this one can be let's say this is the continue. And later on, then one day, completely out of the blue, I had a letter from her. Okay, so completely over here is trying to make it a bit more, just to add to this. So out of the blue means unexpectedly, in a sudden way, and completely out of the blue makes it even more sudden. Okay, tries to show that this is even when we really, really didn't expect this to happen. I had a letter from her. Okay, then and also we could have used out of a clear blue sky. We could have used that one as well, and that means the same thing. So you can have this in the middle, in the beginning, or at the end. That means the same thing. Okay, and over here another one, or a simple one, says the opportunity came out of the blue. Okay, we really didn't know, we were not expecting the opportunity to come out, but it really did. And well, I don't know if they have used it or not, I don't know, but yeah, it shows up when the person really didn't expect this came. Okay, where did it come from? Out of the blue, we don't know. Okay, unexpectedly, suddenly, it was there. So yeah, we use this to say that something was unexpected, sudden, and to our surprise. Well, it can be something good, it can be something bad. It doesn't have a, let's say, negative nature or a positive one. It's neutral, let's say, but whatever it is, neutral, positive, or negative, it is sudden. Okay? It is, anyway, it is sudden. Otherwise, we would not use this. Okay? So that was today's expression, today's idiom. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.